have not had no contact with the victim at all, but it was a conversation with me and my ex-girlfriend to go get my belongings from her house, just to be honest.
Okay, and that no, I got you, but that's a violation.
Yes, sir. I understand that, Your Honor. I understand.
Okay.
Take records, please, sir.
Melvin Witherspoon. Yes, sir.
Mr. Witherspoon will be waiting for when and get the children agreement by the school to not have the children because this is required.
That is our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
Sir, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to prove by the standard of probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Well, also waive their right?
Yes.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on counts 1 and 2 with the following.
Your Honor, we waive formal reading, stand mute.
Defendant every way formal reading standing mute to all charges. Court will enter not guilty. Trial will be set for
September 2nd at 1:30 with Judge Conlon.
September 2nd, 2026, 1:30 before Judge Conlon.
Your Honor, my client wants me to address bond.
Go ahead.
He's requesting a personal bond on this case. He has holds in other clients or other counties, excuse me, one in Jackson and one in Lansing. He wants to be able to go resolve them. He doesn't anticipate being out of custody, but he wants the opportunity to go there and
What are
also
for the holds? Because
Charges for Ingham County with habitual criminals with bond denied at Jackson, GBH, DB3rd, integrated with electronic communications, where bond is also denied, and I was often need to address his phone privileges today.
and in Lansing, he's on probation.
but he also has a bond denied. So I'm going to deny that request because get before Judge Conlon and he can figure out what to do if he wants him to go someplace else and then have the case rather than that down. All right, as to the people's request.
Came to my attention that Mr. Witherspoon made some jail calls in which he calls third parties and has them create a Snapchat account. That Snapchat account was then used to contact the victim in this case, asking her, what's up? Where's my shit? I'm in Jackson. My phone, come get my shit. Do I need to have Brenda come get it? So I'm concerned that he's reaching out to the victim, telling that you have people come to her house, get his things, and that he's even reaching out to her in the first place. So at this point, I'm going to ask that his phone privileges be revoked from third-party contact. And the sub-report was done on that. I'm not sure if it was sent over yesterday or if it was sent over today as to those.
I did get the report, Your Honor. I don't have the actual call. Mr. Witherspoon wants it to be known that the number for the complainant is blocked. He's having a conversation with his ex-girlfriend. There's a conversation about passwords because he has her log into his email to check some things for work or things like that. His email or something or social media.
Girlfriend was on my phone on my page communicating with the victim. Since I've been here in jail, incarcerated, I have not reached out to the victim because the jail blocked her number. So I have not had no contact with the victim at all. But it was a conversation with me and my ex-girlfriend to go get my belongings from her house, just to be honest.
Okay, and that no, I got you, but that's a violation.
Yes, sir. I understand that, Your Honor. I understand.
Okay.
But like directly to the victim, I can't even call out of the jail to her.
I know.
What
the people indicated, and that's what I was trying to clarify,
okay.
was it wasn't that you contacted directly. It was that there was a third-party contact that you made.
Okay, yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. So at this time, what I'm going to do is I'll revoke the defendant's phone and texting privileges. You can also raise that when you get before Judge Conlon as to whether or not he wishes them restored. Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right now.
You may.